Hi shoppers, today I'm so excited to show you this USHOWER irregular mirror that was sent to me to review with you guys. We're going to go ahead and open it. Just so you know, this is a mirror, a frameless mirror that you can actually put in your entrance, in your bathroom, at your bedroom, anywhere. It's a 20 by 36 inch. Let's go ahead and open it.
The wavy frameless design is so unique and adds a subtle artistic vibe without overpowering the space. It's made with thick HD glass and pure silver backplate, so the reflection is super crisp and true to color. I also love that it has an explosion-proof film and resists fading of dark edges over time.
Looks, it's beautiful, it's really nice. It's actually lightweight, it's frameless, but I have a few places that I want to actually see where I'm going to put it in my house, so I'm going to go ahead and show it to you now.
And guys, installing this mirror was surprisingly easy. It came with everything it needed and the instructions were super clear. My hubby had it up in no time. It feels really secure on the wall. As you can see, well, we didn't have a drill, but he managed. We originally wanted to put it in our entrance, but we changed our mind. We finally ended up placing it in our bedroom, and we are so glad we did it because it's so versatile. The pieces though, you could easily hang it in the hallway, in the bathroom, entryway, or even over a vanity. But look how gorgeous it looks. It really brightens up the room and makes it feel more open. So if you're looking for a modern, eye-catching mirror that fits in almost anywhere, this one definitely is worth it. I am highly recommending it to you. And if you want to gift it to your loved one, I'm sure they're going to be so happy with it as well.